Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Septifix before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you. The first thing you need to know is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Septifix is only sold on the official website. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake or low-quality septic treatment tablets without even realizing it. That can be ineffective, cause recurring odors, and waste your money, while your septic system keeps getting worse. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Septifix, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Septifix has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. After extensive testing and development, engineers created Septifix using a smart combination of powerful septic support technology designed to work inside your tank, including oxygen-releasing action, a blend of live aerobic bacteria strains that help break down waste, and pH-supporting ingredients that create a healthier environment inside your septic system. These features work together to attack the real causes of septic problems, like sludge buildup, grease, and the bacteria that create strong odors. Septifix helps your system run smoother, reduces backups and clogs, and in many cases can even reduce how often you need to pump your tank. Say goodbye to embarrassing septic odors, constant worry, and expensive service calls. Septifix helps keep your septic system clean, balanced, and running the way it should. Yes, you can trust this product. Many septic tank owners are already seeing major improvements with Septifix, and you can benefit too. However, there's something important you should know before purchasing this product. You can try Septifix with a 60-day guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you'll get your money back. I recorded this video to warn you to be careful about where you purchase Septifix. You can find the link to the official website in the video description or in the first pinned comment. If you do decide to buy it, make sure you use Septifix as recommended. Many people start with a stronger first use based on their tank size and then continue with one tablet per month for maintenance. Keep in mind that results may vary depending on the condition and size of your septic system. I truly hope that Septifix helps you eliminate odors, avoid backups, and protect your home from costly septic problems, just as it already has for thousands of septic tank owners across the country.